Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany and welcome to the kitchen. We're actually getting ready to make, they're like pancake bites. Oh, I look rough. Anyway, they are pancake bites, which these are very, very flimsy. So if you decide to use them, I just put them on top of another pan and they're good to go. But what we're doing, I already have the oven preheating to 350, and this is not a big breakthrough or anything, but just in case y'all are like me and have little people, even I like to eat them sometimes, the actual pancake bites that you purchase are kind of expensive. So what I have decided to do instead is make my own. The main thing is after you make these, if you're not eating them like immediately and you want to flash freeze them, be sure to do that in like a single layer. Let them come to room temperature first, then flash freeze in a single layer. Then you can just throw them in a freezer quart bag, a plastic lidded bowl, whatever, Tupperware, that kind of thing. And then all you have to do is pull out however many you think you'll need the next day, pull them out the night before, let them thaw, pop them in the microwave for a minute or two, just until warm, pour a little syrup over, and you're good to go. They also work perfect for lunches. So that's what actually reminded me that I needed to make some, because I was emptying out our daily school dishes and realized that we were running low on the little muffins. So I also do those with, let me see if I have any close. I bought these in like a, just if you need them in a pinch kind of thing. But the way those look, I don't know. They just look different whenever you make them yourself, even if it's from, let me show you while I'm over here. I get this, just the pre-packaged muffin mix. Is that the word? Whatever. You know what I mean, these. And I make our mini muffins out of those too. So I'll do a video of those whenever I actually do them, because we have a couple of packs left out of that box. So we're going to use it first. So today, again, have the oven preheating to 350. I use this Great Value Buttermilk Complete Pancake and Waffle Mix because it's just very versatile. You can use it for all kinds of things. You can also use this for bread mixes. So just wanted to throw that in there. I will be doing like all kinds of videos, and because I'm having a really good time showing you all some of this stuff. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and as I share more, give this video a thumbs up. That way you don't miss any of them. And let me think what else I was gonna say. Oh, okay. All we have to do is just prepare these per the box instructions. these are toothpick clean. The pan is still a little hot, but I am going to transfer them over to this plate and then stick them in. Whew, those are spongy. Then stick them in the freezer. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, probably not my smartest move, but they are, see if I can show you, they're steaming so you can see how hot they are, but they are like super fluffy. But anyway, I'm going to transfer them to this plate and flash freeze them for, well, I'm sorry, let me back up. I'm going to transfer them to this plate in a single layer. That's important. Let them come to room temperature, and then I'm going to stick them in the freezer and flash freeze them for just a couple of hours, and then put them in a Ziploc freezer bag. And then again, all you have to do is pull however many you need out, put them in the fridge overnight, and then when you're ready to eat them the next morning, just pop them in the microwave for about a minute, minute and a half until they're warm, and then serve them with syrup and you are good to go. So I'm going to show you, I just transferred them to this little plastic dish and gonna leave them here, let them come to room temperature, and then we'll freeze them and I'll show you what they look like.